Hey, what's up? Everybody knows about the importance of sound design and how proper use of sound effects will improve the emotional feelings of your videos. With this tutorial, I'm going to tell you what is my workflow and how to capture and integrate real sound effects in your video. First of all, it is more important to capture the sounds properly without any background noise than using some expensive equipment. Unless I have a specific production requirements, I mostly use my smartphone or my camera to capture the sound effects. Your camera is equipped with a microphone that might capture good quality audio, but the position is generally too far from the subject and is affected by the other background noises like the wind. Using the smartphone, you can get closer and easily isolate the region of sound. More the sound is clear, more strong is the feeling that you will transmit with the images. You don't need to capture the sounds for every scene you shot. You can recreate similar effects using many different objects. Add some fade in and fade out to every sound to make them smoother. When placing the sound on the timeline, you should anticipate it of a couple of frames. Sometimes you can use a sound to anticipate the next scene. Never repeat the same sound multiple times, but rather try to change the speed of the sound. Or even reverse the sound to create different variations. Combining multiple sounds together can give a more deep effect. In some of my projects I used 4 or 5 different sounds at the same time. Don't overuse the sound effects, always look for a sound that will correctly blend with the context and avoid to make them too loud. Finally, you can integrate some additional sounds from external audio banks. On freesounds.org there are hundreds of good quality effects that you can use for free. Now, let's have a look to the video with the add sounds. Thank you guys, let me know what you think about by leaving a comment in the box below, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube for getting posted about my next tutorials and videos.